Going to be just a short video on how to install the instrument cluster battery. A lot of people don't know there's a battery in the instrument cluster. If you're riding and you shut your bike off and you see a low battery or a low and a battery indicator light flashing there, or every time you turn your ignition on, if your clock is reset and your distance for your trip meters are both reset all the time or intermittently, this can be a reason for your issues. If you remove your headlight, there's two screws in here. There's one that goes in here, up here, and then one that goes in up here. They are Torx T20 size. It's T27 to remove your headlight. There's the three of them that go in. One there, one down in the bottom part of the housing right here, and then on the right side of the bike, there's one here, and you remove those. Those are T27s. Take your headlight unit off. I unplug mine. I have some extra auxiliary wiring, obviously, for my Vision X lights and a light bar I'm installing. Other than that, you remove those two, and what you'll see is you can pop this out. It's inserted with rubber grommets. Careful not to pull on your wires too much. You don't actually have to unplug it down here. This is your main plug for your harness, for your light. And you can see that it is a CR2032 battery. So swap it out. It's a standard light battery, computer battery, electronic battery, available most places, drugstores, and then that just pushes back into the rubber slots in there, sets in. Once you have that done, you can put your two screws back in there, remount your headlight, and you're good to go. Then when you turn your ignition on, I did this 6 minutes ago. As you can tell, it actually retains the clock, and my distance will now retain as well. Very handy when looking at it for fuel. Just two more things to note as well. When you do put the battery in and put the cover on, you want the positive side, the side with the writing on it, facing the same way as the cover does. So you want it facing towards the back of the unit, not the face. And the other thing, if you're wondering what this little reset button does down here, all it does when you press it and hold it for about 3 seconds is reset the clock and your trip meters. You don't lose your odometer. It still stays there. You just lose your clock.